Hi kids! Today we are doing a collective haul. Also, as a heads up, I'm pre-filming a bunch of videos and I hope this makeup look and this outfit doesn't bore you too much. I can't really be bothered to change my outfit and pretend it's a different day. Yay! Whatever. My mom's going in to have surgery, so I want to pre-film a few things. So let's get into it. This is our collective haul. And as you may or may not know, I am on a BoBSeries, Beauty's on a Budget. And my goal this year is to use more than I spend. And I think I'm on the right track. But, you know, we're going to sort it all out. I didn't really go crazy. So, and this is over, well, it's a while. Let me start here and I'll tell you. First of all, there was a Scentbird, which I got so late in the month. It was probably like the 24th, 25th, something like that. So this is actually July's Scentbird. They charged me on the, I think they charge on the 2nd or the 3rd, something like that. And I think it's the 2nd. And I actually went back to check to make sure that they charged me, and they had. And I don't know why it was so late, but it was late. Anyways, it's Stella McCartney, Stella, and I love this. It's an eau de parfum, which is so much better, and it smells like fresh roses. Not cut roses in your house, but fresh roses sitting out, smelling the rose garden. It says that the notes are rose, mandarin orange, amber, and peony. Okay. I like amber, I like rose, and apparently I like peony. So, mandarin orange, I wouldn't have guessed that one. It says, breathtakingly sensual roses fill the expansive heart of this stunning feminine perfume. A light breeze of crisp peonies and bright mandarin citrus accents conspire with spiced amber to heighten the silky floral mystery. I don't know about all that, but I know it smells like being in a rose garden. So there you go. That's $14.95. Next, I got this. I think I got this down at Rite Aid. I was waiting for a prescription. And this is Banana Boat Deep Tanning Dry Oil Clear Sunscreen Spray SPF 4 with coconut oil. Moisturizes skin, lightweight, non-greasy. Now, let me tell you the real reason I bought this. It wasn't for SPF. The real reason I bought this is because I love to spray a dry oil on my body. I love that feeling of a dry oil. The other reason why I got this and I've been using it is my mom got that 14-day Libra system for her diabetes. And this is a really good adhesive remover. Just saying. That was, where's my paper? That was $10.99. I had a $2.20 discount, so it was $8.79. Next, I got the Physician Formulas The Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm. I love this. This is my favorite balm that I've used, followed by the Green Clean. The thing the Green Clean has above this one is its smell. I love the Green Clean smell. That's by Pharmacy. But for the price, I'll sacrifice the smell. This doesn't smell bad. This smells like nothing. So, this Again, I got this at Rite Aid waiting for that same prescription. It is $13.89. I had a $2.78 discount, so it was $11.11. Next, I got 2 of the Avon Footworks Maximum Strength Cracked Heel Cream. I got 2 of these for $15.95 off of Amazon. And next, I was so excited. Michelle Crawford. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce her last name. Michelle Crawford. I'll link her down below in the description. She does quite a few little giveaways all the time. She's always got giveaways going on. And I won one of them. I was so excited because it was something I really wanted to try. But I didn't want to put out the money. And she got these at TJ Maxx. And it was like $13 or something. I don't have a TJ Maxx anywhere near me. I kind of live in a rural area, so we don't have a lot of stuff. But this is the Stila Oh My Stars Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Set. It has Kitten Karma, Diamond Dust, and Gold Goddess. These are the 3 colors I would have absolutely chosen. So, being that they came in a set and they're all minis, so I've heard that these dry out really fast. I don't know because I've never owned them before. So, oh, this one is so pretty. Which one is that? That has got to be Kitten Karma because if I was a kitten, that's the kind of karma I would have. No, that is Diamond Dust. Wow. That is so beautiful. It looks like it has silver and gold in it, or is that just the packaging? Let's open it up and find out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my stars. How's that? Look how shiny beautiful that is. Just, I don't know if the camera is picking up how beautiful that looks. But it has kind of like a silver, it's just, it's beautiful. Nothing can describe it other than beautiful. Anyway, so I won that. It was free. Next, I made, well, my mom made an Shop Miss A order. So I got the UHD Primer Spray, enhanced with aloe vera, long lasting. I've only used this twice. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I have put it in a project pan, so I will get some use on it. I will link that up here. It is my panning club. It's that one by the Fantastic Ladies. So I will get an opinion about this soon. I also, in that order, got 2 of the beveled AOA Studio Papa Edition Wonder Blender. They're $1.55 each. I like the beveled ones. They seem to be softer. Normally, when I buy sponges, I like the teardrops. But for some reason, I prefer the beveled. The Papa Edition, by the way, they donate to animal charities. There's a few animal charities that they donate to. I will link Shop Miss A in the description below so you'll get an idea. I can't think off the top of my head which animal charities they are, but they have animal charities there. They have like school charities. They also have another charity. They have a few charities that they donate to, which is pretty cool considering how cheap their prices are. So, okay, next. This is my Ulta order. They were having their big hair shampoo conditioner sale, and I always like to get a big thing of conditioner. I go through conditioner like crazy. This is not necessarily my favorite conditioner, but I've bought it multiple times. It's Nexxus Humectress. I don't know. Ultra Moisture Conditioner. This is part of the Caviar line. It's the Caviar Complex Concentrated Protein, whatever. The point is that yay, Ulta, they got a new scheme going on this month. For one thing, this came in its own separate box. That was $12.99. Now, with everything you bought, you could get this pump. It's a $3 pump, and you could get it for $1. So when I ordered that, they put a little note in my cart saying, "Hey, you forgot to buy the pump." And I was like, "Well, I always thought that it came with a pump. I don't understand." So I'm like, well, apparently somebody decided that they don't want to sell pumps with the shampoos and conditioners anymore or whatever. Maybe Nexxus got cheap. They weren't selling. No, they were selling. It came with a pump. And now I have an extra pump, which I don't appreciate that. That's like basically like Ulta saying, "Oh, you need to buy this." And I didn't. And so they got my $1. So, and then next was something I really wanted to try. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I have not tried it yet. It was $16. I'm super excited to try it. I will be trying this. I have a few sprays going on right now. I'm trying to finish up. This, I'm super excited to try it though. Okay. And because I was the only one that made that Ulta order, it was just my stuff alone. I count shipping and tax. So the shipping was $5.95 and the tax was $2.47. I count that because it's part of the order. I spent my money to get my beauty products. So my total for this order, for this haul, was $93.31. And as you know, I am trying to use more than I spend. So the previous balance was that I had used $156.35 more than I have bought. So my new year-to-date total is that I have used up $63.04 more than I have bought. Yay! I'm winning! Hi, Pooh. Aw, she come over here purring. She says, "Oh, we're all winning." Aw, she's so sweet. Okay, so hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Are you happy? And no, I can't do math. So